You may have missed out on some penalty kicks during the first half of your life. It is possible that you were unable to score some lofty goals which you had set for yourself. The truth is that in the history of soccer, most iconic matches were won during the second half, and Lord and Samuel Group believes that you can still bear fruit in your second half. And so, in collaboration with Gateway Wealth Management, Lord and Samuel Group presents the Evergreen Conference. This is a refreshing sabbatical and life coaching event for the matured audience. Date Saturday, 1st of February 2014. Venue Movenpick Ambassador Hotel, Accra. Admission is 150 Ghana cedis. However, you can catch the early birds discount for 125 cedis if you pay no later than January 17th and get admission into the Public Speaking Masterclass organized by the Royal Center for Public Speaking. Keynote speakers include Pakwo Shum, Ajua Ham Kwagrin, Dr. Sharita Yazid, and Samuel Jonathan. The Evergreen Conference, bearing fruit in your second half.